Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction crew, today presenting this Volkswagen Polo 1.6 TDI Beats. Finishing sleek black and powered by 1.6 liter diesel engine delivering 80 PS through manual transmission, this stylish hatchback blends urban practicality with premium sound experience. Up front, the Polo features halogen clear headlights with daytime running lights and automatic on function. Body-colored bumpers and black door mirrors with integrated indicators blend nicely with the unique Beats decals and contrasting red trim, as well as 16-inch alloys which not only look sharp but also offer comfortable stable drive. Moving towards the back, the Polo gets signature Beats badging on the B pillars, as well as a rear privacy glass, LED number plate illumination and heated windscreen. The boot offers everyday practicality with flat low lip and wide opening. 60/40 split folding rear seats give you extra space when required. The rear cabin features free headrest and plenty of legroom, complemented by supportive rear bench with 3-point seat belts with tensioners on the outer seats for added safety. Up front, you're treated to sporty front seats with Beats logos, height adjustment and red accents in the dashboard and center console. You also get height and a reach adjustable steering wheel, Multifunction Computer Plus and chrome details which give the cockpit a refined and ergonomic design. Essential controls are at your fingertips with clear white lid dials. On offer is manual air conditioning with a dust and pollen filter which ensures fresh cool air all summer long, no matter what the outside brings. And the infotainment system in the form of composition media system with DEP and intuitive controls also offers premium USB aux-in and app connect compatibility and Bluetooth for full phone integration with call and audio features. Sound settings allowing you to customize your Beats audio with deep powerful bass. Car info menu for vehicle status, Think Blue Trainer and driver data, and plenty of other features. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Polo 1.6 TDI Beats. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call.